Hey everyone, thanks for getting locked in with Key. This is your girl Key, and today I'm coming to you with the self-isolation quarantine style edition date night. So in this date night, I will be cooking, cleaning, and getting ready. So if you would like to see how I set the ambiance and the mood in my own home, go ahead and stay tuned. So let's jump into this video. You ready? Let's go. All right, y'all. So I just got back from the store and my man wants surf and turf. He's a surf and turf guy. So I got my steak here and I got my marinade. And I also, before I prep any of my food, especially my steak, I like to rinse it off. But before I do that, let's do the number one rule. Let's wash our hands. So we're gonna take out both of our steaks. And I just wanna let you guys know that this meal is inspired by Nitra B. I follow her channel, and if you are not following her channel and you like healthy recipes, or she does hearty recipes also, but if you like recipes in general, healthy food, shout out to her channel. Her channel has always been an inspiration. So I kind of I tried this to create this meal before, and I used her recipe for cooking my steaks and I loved it. So I'm gonna rinse this off. Some cool water. All right, you don't want to rinse it too much and knock that flavor. You don't want that flavor to be out of that steak, honey. You want all the flavor you cook. But usually when I buy steak, I buy it for that day. Like, I'm gonna probably use it, most likely use it that day. I chose to get prime rib, so that's what I chose to get. And I'm using the Lawry's Signature Steakhouse marinade. And this is usually ready in like 5 minutes. But, baby, we want our steaks nice, tender, juicy, and have all the flavor. First, I want to pour a little bit of olive oil on both sides of my steaks. But this just makes it a little bit more tender. Just a little bit on each side will do. You don't need a lot. This is important. Nitra didn't do this part, but I did this part. And with my knife, I just cut little slits in it. This is a trick I have seen a lot of black mamas use, including my mama. Just wanna, just makes it up nice and tender and get that flavor into that steak. Just poke it. So you want to pour the marinade over the steak. And I thought I was gonna need 2 of these because they were so little, they were so small, but I think 1 will do. Yeah, 1 will do. Yeah. And yes, I'm a cleaner while I cook. I am a cleaner. So I'm gonna put aluminum foil over this, and then after I put aluminum foil on it, I am going to let it marinate in the refrigerator. Until probably about 6 o'clock. But I just like to get things going and rolling, so when it's time, I can be prepared. So, as you can see, me and aluminum foil does not get along. All right, so the kitchen is still clean. While that's marinating, Now it is time for me to go ahead and clean up. So let's go. So here I'm cleaning, of course, and I'm getting the whole entire dining room just prepared for our date night. I decided to put out some white rose petals, and I'm gonna put out the red ones, the real ones, later on. Just, I don't know, to have that fresh smell once he comes in. And my guy is a Henny guy, so I put out my favorite wine, which is Roscato, and some Henny. So here I decided to put some rose petals and some candles just to set the mood by my TV stand. I am going to be putting a fake fireplace on my TV to set the ambiance. So it's just going to make it look and feel more romantic. Hey everyone, so I'm back and I need to go ahead and get my dessert tray ready for tonight. So I know I look different because I just ran out to a friend's house, so that's why I look different. But let's go ahead and get this dessert tray ready for tonight. So I'm just letting everybody know, yes, my dessert was store-bought, and if you would like to know where I got it from, it was Publix. So here I am just going to butterfly my lobster. The reason why I like to do this is because I like the way it looks, and I don't know. I just like it, looks so fancy to me. But I just want to let you know you need a good pair of kitchen scissors or shears in order to cut through, because it is very hard to cut the shell at first. So if you're doing it for the first time, make sure you take your time. So guess what today is? Today is Shout Out Saturday. So today I usually shout out my favorite YouTube channel and Instagram page. So today's YouTube channel that I absolutely love will be listed down below, is my friend Johanna's YouTube channel. I am going to, you should see a picture pop up here, but I am going to link her channel down below. She's all about fitness and she has great workout tips and workout routines that you can do right now during quarantine. My Instagram page of the week is my favorite Instagram person. Well, not person, but I love a lot of Instagram pages. But my friend Celeste, her page is popping. If you're looking for educational tools, routines, tips, go to her page, subscribe to her page. I am going to link her down below. She also has an awesome blog that you might want to check out. But I want to thank both of you ladies for sharing, reposting, and always commenting on my videos. Love you both. Mwah. So here is the finished product. I got my lobster, my steak, my mashed potatoes, and my asparagus here. And now I'm gonna finish decorating because he should be on his way. All right, so this is my date night look. Yeah, I know I gotta get my stomach down a little bit more. And I still have to put on my jewelry. Well, my watch and my bracelet. So that's all I'm really gonna put on, because I'm just gonna be casual, comfy, because I'm at home. Hey. So I just want to show you guys the finished product. Trying to not look here and look there, but I'm gonna show you guys the finished product and how I set everything up. He should be on his way. He actually should be pulling up, but you know how men say they're gonna be here in like 5 minutes and they're not. So let me give you a tour. So I put on the fireplace, the YouTube channel. I just like ruckled it. I still have to light up the shelves, but I lit up by the TV screen. I just thought that was beautiful. And then you come over here. Let's go over here. And over here you have both of our dinners. I gotta get some forks. And you have our dessert tray. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of my subscribers. I feel so blessed and I'm so thankful to have you all. I know, like, I'm still a small YouTuber, but a small step is such a giant leap when you didn't see this coming true at all, if that makes sense. But I just want to take the time out to thank you all. I want to thank you all. And go ahead and comment down below any other dating suggestions you have during this time of quarantine. Let's talk. How has quarantine actually been affecting your date life or your marriage life? Let's talk about it, ladies. Whatever's on your mind, drop it. I'll answer. Let's have some open dialogue. Let's really talk through this thing. And I just want to thank you all for tuning in. You made it to the end, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell. So I hope you try this date night routine, and hopefully I'll have a knock at the door soon. So talk to you later. Bye. All right, so he's here. Well, I kind of knew he was right here. So let's go.